Arsu asked me, how do you get your edges full? So زي كلمة اللوج أقولنا كم يقدر كأخذ الدلدلة كم يقدر كأخذ قطعة وحول إلى حسيتني. So yeah, how to do that is, one, don't pull your hair back too tight. كلا نقدر كات كمز دحري كل الدحري تقدر كموج أقولنا كمز pull بزحت وراء. كلا خات products تقومون زيتي أو أبزح كان كمز castor oil. أنا حاجة castor oil دقبر جنت شجرتي مس تاش مدعجة مركوة so حاجة زيني نريو. So yeah, so I'm gonna use a concealer a little bit underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna apply that. Apply it under my eyes, and I use my DAP beauty blender, and I'm gonna just tap it only a little bit because like lately I haven't been getting enough sleep. So Mary Gide asked me, what is your favorite highlighter? Oh my god, I have so many favorite highlighters. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. ብዙ حالات هتلطفوا أنا جن حجاب زجزة الأخوة. Like I really like Laura Mercier. It's not really like a highlighter so much. It's more of like a face illuminator, and I really love it. It's this right here. I'm actually gonna use it today, and this is the name of it. Called Addiction, and I love it. It's so nice. It's nice, but I like MAC Deposit highlighter for Twa. I also like it's another thing that I like. MAC Face Deposit. I like Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Glow palette. That's really good too. I really like that. So I'm gonna use these two powders right here on my face. These two. This is from it's called Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and this is Creamy Bronze, and this is Black Radiance. And I'm gonna use this one also, and this one right here is the same company, but this one is Golden Almond Finish, and I mix both of them because they don't have this exact color for my skin, but I just mix them. So I'm gonna use a powder brush, and I'm gonna do it. Ayod asked me, I would like to start a YouTube channel about hair and makeup with my friend. What would you recommend? Or what would be your advice? So starting a makeup a beauty page, I mean everybody has a beauty page, right? So it's kind of like a competition now. Everybody and their mom want to be on YouTube. But it's definitely possible. YouTube is not easy, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. So YouTube is not easy. It's definitely kind of like it can be hard at times, but it is worth it. You just have to invest in your time, invest in yourself, and this is like you have to look at anything you do seriously. If you look at something not that seriously, you really won't do well in it. But if you look at it seriously, you can definitely go far. And I mean, I'm not even at the level that I want to be, but I'm still pushing myself to get to that level. So it's the same thing, you know, you can do the same thing. So I apply this on my face, and you just have to invest in your time, invest in your products, invest on things that like a really good camera. You have to invest in that. You have to make sure that you like have a really good camera. You have to make sure that you have really good lighting, and yeah, so that is like the most important thing. And you know, just have some really good content, and you'll be good. And just keep going. Like, when you start, you're gonna have criticism. People are gonna come at you. People come at me too. They write me really bizarre comments and say really mean things to me, but I don't let that get to me. I still keep doing what I gotta do, and I don't let their negativity or anything that they have to say get into my grind. So that's another thing. Don't let other people cloud you. Don't let other people tell you that you can't make it, because I bet you a lot of people didn't think Jay-Z would make it, and look at Jay-Z now. He's a billionaire. So I don't let anybody get into my head, so don't let anybody get into your head. So we're gonna contour now. Powder contouring, we're gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the medium to tan. This is my shades. So I'm gonna get another fluffy brush and get this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my cheeks and give myself a little bit of color. And this is just gonna give me color back onto my face, since I'm not really applying foundation on my face. I still like to have a little bit of color and bronze to my cheeks, so this is pretty much bronzing it out. And I'm gonna read another question that you guys had, and another question was Asmite416 asked me, how can I keep my skin hydrated during the winter time? So my advice to you is making sure you have a really good moisturizer, maybe one that's maybe like an oil base, just because of the fact that I'm assuming that your skin is dry, so you need something that's going to be hydrating. I love shea butter, so if you ever watched my shea butter video, how to make it, you should definitely look at it, because that's what I use on my face during the winter time, and at night especially, and I use a little bit of it before I go out, but I put sunscreen on my face as well. So another thing is this right here. This is my blush from Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using the shade Tau. I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. Give me a little bit of color, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go and apply this highlighter on my face. This is the Laura Mercier highlighter right here. So I'm gonna use that with a highlighting brush. And like I said, you should use something that is going to keep your skin hydrated, and shea butter is really good at that. But like an oil base, not an oil base, but like a cream base that has a little bit of oil in it maybe would also be good as a moisturizer. And definitely just, you know, maybe using a cream cleanser versus using a foaming cleanser, so that your skin doesn't dry out too much. But I like using shea butter during the winter time, so I would tell you to use that as well. And you can find that in any like store, or you can get it at an African store. That's where I get my stuff from. So I'm gonna line my lips with this brown black opal, what shade is this? French Toast. And I apply that on my lips. Okay, applying on my lips. And then I'm gonna go and apply Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And this is the shade 65 Amazonian. Or this is Amazonian? This is not Amazonian. This is another shade. This is 59 or 65. And you know what, you guys? I really like these products from Maybelline. Like, Maybelline is making a come up. I don't know when they decided to do this come up, but they've been making a come up. All their products have been so good lately, and I've been loving it, because drugstore products are making a come up, and that's good, because nobody wants to go to Sephora and spend all this money. Like, sometimes we don't want to spend all that money. So I'm gonna apply this on my lip and pat pat. So let me see these other questions that you guys asked me. Ariam John asked me, how did you and your fiance meet? You guys love asking me questions about my fiance, especially on Instagram. I think it's because I don't share anything of me and him, so you guys are always like wondering about us. So we met in Asmara. I happened to be in Asmara 3 years ago, and he happens to be there, and we met there. And like I said earlier, it was love at first sight. Alright, so I'm gonna apply some gloss to my lips, and we are pretty much done with this look. I'm gonna put my lashes off camera. And this is actually a Revlon. What's the color for this? 255. And apply that on my lips, just to give it some gloss. And I like to do like a matte lip underneath and then put like gloss on top, just because I feel like it keeps my lips, like my lipstick, on longer. But so this is the look without the lashes, and I'll put the lashes on off camera, and then I'll show you guys how to do the hair. Okay, so great. I'm already. حطوها خمسة لكم أبينا تريفنا أبينا نيرنا So I just curled my hair off camera, and while I'm wand curling my hair, I'm going to be talking to you guys. Well, not really talking to you guys, but you know what I mean, right? I'm going to be returning your questions. So let me see. So Helen Tesfi asked me, بقامقة English تحسستني, is sweet almond oil good for acne, moisturizer for oily face? So حطوها ملسلكي sweet almond زيتي دحان ديو خنطقملو سبات oily تخوينو قدسنا إلى حتى تنلا. Okay, so this is what I'm using. I'm using the Ohuhu wand. Ohuhu wand. I got this from Amazon, and I love Amazon, you guys. Amazon بتعمي الفتوى كلنا نقرأ أخذ رغبة أو. So حطوها ملسلكي Helen. Yes. So this is how I wand curl my hair when I'm doing those waves. So I start here, and then I go like this, and I kind of like twist it like that, and I hold it. So Helen, yes, you can use it. It's actually good. It's actually good to use it. Yeah, it's good for acne skin, acne prone skin, and the reason why it's good is because it helps prevent stubborn from forming. So it is good, and it has a lot of fatty acids, and the fatty acids are actually good to use. So this is how the curl is gonna look. So it is good for you to use it. When it comes to acne prone skin, I would say that the best thing that you could do is use a moisturizer that doesn't have oil in it. So something that doesn't have oil, like a clogging oil. Like a lot of people get mistaken. They say, oh, coconut oil is good for your skin. Yeah, coconut oil is good for your skin, but it can clog your pores, and it's clogophobic or something like that. It's not good. It causes your skin it causes you to break out. So I wouldn't recommend anybody to really use coconut oil unless you're using it on your hair or on your actual body, but not on your face. So sweet almond oil تطبقيو دحاني السبات كم زفت أقعد وطعم كنت قمت دلهم تطبقيو. So هوبا زيتي بتعمي تطبق زيت ساتيو عين قطعلكم نك قربتكم دحراي زخونة توساس ديو فت أقعد قطعلكم نيو. So حارة بحارة دا قبر كي دمش تقول خوش أقرأ like قربتي دا وصلكم دا أقرأ يتقول اللهم. And when I'm curling it, I start like this, and then I bend it. You see how I'm going? I'm rotating it like this. Then I let it sit like that. I have a lace front on, so I could put it on my head like this. So let's read another question. Ahalet Melet D. Hi, I have too many small flat moles on my face, so how can I get rid of them? Help me. So you have, okay, so she's تشمل النقمز نتقب تقليم أبجد أي لا إلى حسة نلا مهلت شما. So what I want to say to Mahlet is, well, you can do like a spot treatment using potato juice. I love potato juice. Potato juice دنش تزيت تمايونا دنش تبقيو. الله إنزاينا وشتو نزخون النجارات تقليم نجارات دوت ألكا. كالخا, like you should use sunscreen, but potato juice is like the best thing you can actually use because potato juice is really good at fading the dark marks on your face, and I really love using it. Even for myself, if I have like dark circles under my eyes, I like to use it under my eyes as well. So I would say to use that, the niche potato, and that would really help with any problem you have. Yorob Bial. Hi sis, do you know how to remove freckles? I have black things, I guess, on my face after the la. Yeah, you really can't. It's really hard to get rid of pimples. It's really hard to get rid of freckles because it's actually a natural thing that happens to our skin. But what you could do is to fade them. You could use potato juice. And that's the same question that Mahalata Hatatani can make a kahatanit abnit abab gets nada lochamegar nana nalguso ila hatitatani comes in it abnit abtralam gets nahara haragid the met ከምዚ ዳት ሆን ማዳ ሆነን freckles you ግን በፈጥሮት ሰባትካ አለው ሆሙ ደለዎም ስለዚህ you can use potato to help you with that ድንሽ ተጠቀምኩት ተማይና ድንሽ አብጋጽኩም ተገርኩሞ ይحግዘኩም ግን معلت تقبل لكم كالها sunscreen كات تقبل لكم أبجدكم sun block تقبل لكم كابس 7 بزح تجركم طبيو كم تجركم يحجزكم it'll help not make the freckles dark so sunscreen I would say would be the best thing you can use another question okay Ellie Shahai asked me how you have lost weight okay so تخاططون تخونكم اب انستغرام تفلطيهم بزح باوند غودي دلخو درجه 35 باوند درجه غودي دلخو حجي exercise اقداسيو again قدمي exercise تدا أقداس النجار نتايو كلنا تخونكم تتماغبوا مجبيو حاجة أنا كل جزء مجبي أحملتي بالدعم يدفتو أحملتي بالدعم يدفتو أحملتي جن ما يبزح حدثتي زيت البزح النجار هاي بلعنا قربتي أخذ بلعكم زي قربتي دا بلعخو كني سيو خات مجبي so بزح هاي بلعنا نوكو oatmeal كل جزء أدبلع ماي حنتل كني 3 لتر so 3 gallons you said 1 gallon you said 3 gallons you said tea fruits and vegetables بتعمي دفتو بتعمي دساتيو يولعو بتعمي دفتو إن الجيم كل جزء أدخل جيم تريني أخم تخاططون تخونكم تفضيهم كل جزء أدخل so okay سنايت 60 78 حتتني أبتمادا زلو قدسي عنفرور يواتني خوينو مداك أبيني شجيرة كيف تشافو أسخطو دو okay أبتمادا زلو قدسي عنفرور واتني الله okay عنفرور بزح maybe تجنك الله خي ما راكو بجنك يدمت جنك الله ما دا الله كسانة الله ما دا يخير نبي حكي لكم لكم حواتك ما دا بجنك يدمت مجمرة 5 عنفرور عينة يدمت دحراي دا بزحي خير دحراي نفسنا عندنا كان خلله حاجة سنة أنا خلك الدلنا عخي stress بزحات قوري stress تلو كم دولكم ماذا الله حج النفس قد كان خلي لكي نعخي دحرق أكن نجر ينعخدش إنك أكن نجرات كجرفي لكي تعنا خاطر لكي مجمرة دحري تاي فتأجر الوقت الكلام اللي خدت زخانة products تقمت اللي خدت خوانكي you know what تاش مت تقم اللي خدخي ناي مكايحي تتقم تخوانكي حافتي كلكي فتأجر خوات أكيو زنا مكايحي حرقي زي مرب زرقي حنرة طبخونا لكم نيرو الحواتي حق هم خبلكم because حماكيو دحري كي تتعصوا فتأجر خي واتكم قالتكم قال ملا خي يمثل عقو تخانا خلو رأيوه حجي ميبي هم تتقم اللي خدخوني كم خوينو فتأجر واتكي جن عارفة كتقرئين لكي انستغرام فولو تقدر تهونكي تاش مقور النمو private message مار قبل اللي جيزة دل النخا خمل سلكي okay so عجزيت كلمة تاخد قبر أمه كريكم ما خمي جريو so تاي قبر نزي push هذا قبره خمسة جري push قبره دحراي نمشت جري مش خمسة جري حجي هم تكره تمتم ولا مجمرة هنوقع خمسة جرة ده حرا حافي اللي قرب تيمش نقوله هجي حافي اللي قرب تي ده حراي حانتي زي مشت and I'm gonna brush it out like this. Out my hands. إذا خمشت أي مجمرة داخل خمسة أجره. تمتم كنا بلينا. تانك حلوة So here it is. This is more like a body wave. I didn't really curl it like I did last time, but here it is. اوكي شكرا حجي ودي اقول لكم مدبي تسفا يقبر ازياء مدب ناي ميك اب ناي كحل محلي ناي حكيا فتغمات خونو تسفا يقبر فتغمات خونو كي ترسلوا like comment share and subscribe go and yeah I hope you guys like this look and if you guys have any makeup looks that you guys want me to recreate for you guys always hit me up on Instagram send me a picture and I will recreate it for you. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this and if you guys are wondering about this hair, this is hair from elvahair.com and this is a Brazilian body wave and this is a 22 inch 250 density. Yeah, 250 density. So if you guys are wondering about this is called elvahair.com and كتميتن حمسان density ترugado كتميتن حمسانيو تجوغروها Brazilian body wave you. So yeah, so this is the hair. It's a lace front tuha and it is a 360 wig. Yeah guys, I hope you like this look and I'll see you guys very soon. This is a foundation free, so okay, bye shukran. See you guys next Wednesday.
Thank you.